everyone, this is MiMi's Crafty Shop, and I'm going to show you this new journal that I'm working on in the ephemera and all the lovely stuff. It is a lovely day, and yes, I have my glass of wine that I am drinking to fun stuff. You know, you gotta have a glass of wine sometimes. Anyway, so I'm just gonna show y'all a quick little tutorial on some ephemera that I'm working on. But let me show you, this is the new journal that I'm working on. I love this kit. This is Prima Marketing? Never fails when I get on these. I never can remember the names of any of these stuff. Just a second. Yeah, Prima Marketing, Margie. Okay, anyway, I have tea dyed these. These are my little signatures that I'm working on, and this is the lovely kit that I got from TLC Creates. And I had a really hard time kind of finding a purple color beautiful kit. There's some out there, but I was needing some that had roses on it. I could find lavender and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so just kind of showing you a little bit, not much, because I will be making the book and I will do a video on it. But I love this paper. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's tea dyed up, so it just really pops when you tea dye it. To me, it just makes it look so vintage. This is going to be my cover, and I had made this probably a year ago and never, tried to figure out what I was ever going to use it on. So I thought this is going to really look pretty on here. And I tea dyed this fabric that I got, and I'm going to do a tutorial on how I make my journal covers. So y'all be checking back on that. And this is absolutely gorgeous. I love those purple colors, the greens that it goes with it. And I wanted to show y'all this. My mother had given me a bunch of these beautiful handkerchiefs, and so I tea dyed those up when I was doing the tea dye craziness that I did yesterday and the day before. And anyway, what I'm going to do is, I know everybody has seen this. I've got to get a lady in purple. I haven't gotten that yet because I'm out of yellow ink, so I have to wait till I get some ink in. And what I'm going to do is make her dress out of these handkerchief and put it in my book. I thought this is so pretty. I love this idea. I had that pinned. Here is the beautiful purple colors that I have to use for that. I think it's going to be so gorgeous. And anyway, so here's what I've been working on. I've been doing stamping on some tea-dyed little muslin paper that I had. I mean, not paper, fabric. And I had just purchased a whole bunch of stamps. I went stamp crazy. And so I said, well, I'm going to start stamping on some material. And I thought they turned out really cute. It says... This right here, I actually did it backwards. It's supposed to say vintage, but I messed up and did it backwards. But anyway, I did redo it, and finally figured out that I was doing it backwards. Okay, so let's get started on this ephemera. This is what I'm doing. Everybody's doing these CD holders right now. So I've had these for a while. My mother gave them to me. So me and her, in fact, I had gotten some out and had try to tea dye them and bake them. Well, don't ever try that because this stuff melts, duh. Anyway, so this one here I had already made, and I'm going to be doing a pink kind of colored journal up. I've got all the paper ready, and I'm fixing to start on it next. I'm taking a break from doing the fall journals and the Halloween journals and all that. I was ready to do something different. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of work on this one, and I'm not for sure because I don't even know how these people are making these, because my mother sent me some tutorials on it, and I've really kind of just scanned them. I haven't really looked at them just greatly, but this is actually a tea from, when you get your tea, a little tea bag. So what I'm gonna do is I just took it out and I kind of put some lovely stuff on there. I'm trying to, hopefully I'm in frame. And I'm gonna put that on here. I cut this out and it's kind of a purple tone because I wanna use this in my purple book. So I am going to actually glue this on here. And I think I'll just put some glue back of this. Look up here to make sure I'm in frame because I am trying to use my phone. I've got a new iPhone 8S and I absolutely love it. It does video very well and takes pictures absolutely gorgeous. But I was having trouble with my videos. I was videoing and my mother said, your videos are there on YouTube, and I was trying to work on it, and me and her played around with it. So finally figured out what was wrong with it, and that I needed to move my little thing that I put my camera in a little bit different angle. So anyway, that is, I'm gonna put that on there, and I'm gonna stick that in there. And you know, literally you could use anything to put in these. But, you know, CD holders are, of course, it's kind of crooked. If I can move that over a little bit. I do not like crooked. I'm really funny about crooked. So, but for some reason, I must be crooked because everything I do is always off a little bit. Okay, that is much better. Yeah, still kind of off a little bit, but what I'll do is I'll just cut that paper inside and that scrapbook paper, and I'll make it where it's perfectly on there. Okay, I was thinking about putting this on there, and I had these really pretty silk flowers that I bought, and as you can see, all these pretty ephemera that I've been making. I thought these turned out so cute. I love them. I'm gonna use them in my book. And this one here, lovely, love these. This one here, I haven't actually put that down on there, but I think I'm gonna do that. Don't y'all think that's pretty? And anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use my hot glue gun on this. You know, it's your preference as to what you wanna use. I do use Fabri-Tac and a lot when I'm making stuff. On these little things, I always kind of trim the plastic on them because, you know, you don't need all that sticking up. So let's see, let's put this one on there because it's a little bigger. I bought this little hydrangea set from, still sticking up too much, from, got glue on my, from Hobby Lobby. Of course, I got it at half price, but anyway, it's, I just love it. It's so pretty. It's just a beautiful color. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that. So, okay, what else am I gonna put on here? Let's see. Let's get some more. I love this. I bought this at Hobby Lobby too. Isn't that pretty? So it's kind of a ribbon. Okay, that didn't stick down very good. Better put some more glue on it. There we go. I think it's stuck now. I have got so much different stuff over here. See? I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but oh my gosh. I've been collecting purple stuff like crazy. So, this is really pretty. I love this color. Anyway, like I said, I just got through with some of my fall journals and some Halloween journals. So y'all check it out. They are really, really cute. And I have them for sale in my Etsy store. I've sold one of them, but I thought they turned out really well. I enjoy making them. I always like to make something different, you know. It's fun to kind of do up a little different something every once in a while. But, you know, I just start sticking stuff, you know, down and just keep working at it. And I have my little stash of some eyelash trim over here. So let me get some of this purple eyelash trim. Really beautiful purple eyelash trim that my mother had found. I don't know where she got it from, but we found a bunch of stuff from at Tuesday morning, and we kind of went crazy there about a month ago. Which Tuesday morning is my new favorite place to shop. I'm trying to go there instead of going to Hobby Lobby or Michael's, because I get so tired of going to those places, even though I do go there a lot. But I get kind of tired of it, you know, after a while. So anyway, I think that turned out really cute. I like the way that looks. And then on the back side, I was thinking about putting this on there. You know, you do a little decoupaging. This is just something I found in my stash. It's paper that I think that, of course, my mother had. She finds the neatest stuff at resale shops, and she's always going, and she's always giving me goodie things, and I'm so thankful that she does that for me. Because if it wasn't for her, I probably wouldn't be having all this stuff. But she loves to go, me and her both, we love going to resale shops, you know, the Goodwill, Hospice, Salvation Army, any place like that you can find really, really neat stuff at a good price. That's what we like to do. So, and we try to get together, you know, we don't get together as often as we like, but, you know, life gets in the way. Okay. And, I don't know, I was thinking about putting that there, but I think I'm going to use this. This is this ephemera I have over here. Let me see if I can move my camera over. All this ephemera is going to be going into my new purple and green book. Just have tons of stuff over here. It's so pretty. And that's the plan. Oh, I know what I was going to do. Oh, I was going to make that too, but I'll do that in a minute. Okay, let's see. Let's put this on there. Hope I'm in frame. Yeah, I still am. It's amazing. But, you know, you can take anything nearly and make something out of it. But anyway, those are my beautiful little CD player things that I made up, and I thought they turned out really cute. So thank y'all so much for watching, and check back. I'm going to be doing some more stuff. So thank y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.